So in the last session, we have completed just writing the conditions using the operators, relational, arithmetic, and logical. Okay, how to write the condition, we understood, but exactly where to implement that condition. In coding part, we will learn conditional statements to understand. Conditional statements are four: if else, if, and nested if. And nested if. Total four. So where to use exactly? Let me explain. First one is a if conditional statement. If conditional statement means what? Just execute a block on specific condition is valid. A few simple examples, let me explain. According to the documentation, I'll show you the documentation so that you will get more clarity on this. Let me open one documentation, any one documentation. Screen shared, na? Screen presenting. Please check. Yeah, thank you. Here it is. Suppose anyone practice book I am taking. Please keep the Xerox copy with you so that we need to practice here only. Here, while writing the conditions, suppose if block, the scanner and all put aside, these things we know. Here, suppose the simple question, just display only if I am explaining. Display bill amount of customer. Display bill amount of customer. Second one, give 20% discount to every customer on bill. Is a different question. This one is give 20% bill discount to customer only if minimum bill amount is 5,000 rupees. Three different questions so that you will understand. In the first case, how you will write the code? I'm taking the bill. Normally, float or double we are taking. Some bill amount I'm taking, whatever it is, no matter. First question is directly print. Print that bill amount, finish. So first customer bill amount is a 3,000. First customer bill amount is 3,000 rupees. Okay, you have to pay 3,000 rupees because here it is no discount. Second customer came, bill amount is 8,000 rupees. Okay, pay 8,000 rupees. Just taking the bill amount and printing the bill amount as it is. That is the first program. Look at the second program. Give 20% discount to every customer on bill. Whoever the customer. Give, calculate, double, discount I am calculating. How much? 20% of bill amount. 20% means 0.20. 20% of bill amount we are calculating as a discount. That discount you should deduct from the bill. Simply from the bill, we are deducting the discount and then printing the remaining. Suppose same. First customer bill amount is 3,000 rupees. 3,000 rupees, 20% means what? 600 rupees. So 3,000 rupees minus 600 rupees is equals to 2,400 rupees. The next one is second customer came 8,000 rupees minus 1,600 rupees is equal to 6,400 rupees you have to pay. For the first customer, with the bill amount is 3,000 rupees, 600 discount, pay 2,400. Next one is 8,000 means what? 1,600. So 6,400 you have to pay. Is the second one. Is a second one. Look at the third one. Give the discount. Give the 20% discount to the customer only if minimum bill amount is 5,000 rupees. Don't give the discount to everyone. Now our concept will come. If the bill amount is greater than or equals to 5,000 rupees, 5,000, then only calculate. If minimum bill amount is 5,000 rupees, calculate the discount and give the discount. Now look at this. For the first person is, first customer is 3,000 rupees. Look at the condition, 3,000 greater than or equal to 5,000. Condition false. So no discount for you. You have to pay 3,000 only. Second person, bill amount is 8,000 rupees. Yes, 8,000 is greater than or equal to 5,000. You have a discount of 1,600. So you need to pay 6,400. So where we are using the if block exactly, not a simple questions here. Okay, not a simple questions. Else if all these are easy. So based on that, now let me explain one by one. Suppose this one. Program to give 20% bonus on salary if the employee has more than 5 years of experience. Okay, how to write the code for this? Suppose I'm taking the salary, whatever the salary, no matter, because bonus is based on the experience, not based on the salary. So any salary, no matter. Double just salary I'm taking 25,000. But experience is important. Integer experience is equal to, we don't know. If the experience is minimum 5 years, 5, then we need to calculate the bonus. Bonus is equal to 20% salary. We are calculating as a bonus that you are adding to the salary. Salary equal to salary plus bonus. Just print the salary. Print the salary. So now, if one person experience is a 3 years only, so just take the salary 25,000 only. Next person experience is a 6 years experience employee. So 25,000 plus 20% means what? 5,000 bonus. You just take 30,000 rupees salary with the bonus. Try to understand. And next try this one, I'll explain. Give me the variables. Give 10% discount on total purchase if the customer is a member and the bill amount is greater than 1,000. Here, double bill amount is, we don't know how much. Boolean is member, true or false, you can take. True or false. Based on that, you just try. I'll explain. The next one, this one. Here it is two things we are taking. So one is what? The bill amount. So how much bill? Because here it is based on both. Next one is a member. Is a member, true or false. Here bill greater than 1000 or less than 1000 member. But both we need to true na. If the person is member equal to true, and the bill amount is greater than or equal to 1000 or greater than 1000, na? Greater than 1000, then only we are providing that discount. Double discount is equal to 10% bill amount, and that is deduct from the bill minus discount. Then print the bill. Pay that much bill. Pay that much bill. Got it? Like this you need to do. Remaining two also you need to think. This one, grocery items, so many I have given here. One by one you need to practice and exactly drop in the group so that everyone also will check. Remaining pretty easy. Here if else, either or conditions, positive or negative. If the number greater than or equal to 0, else negative. Even or odd. After taking the number, see here in the documentation what I did. I left something that you need to fill up. You need to fill up. All these things you need to complete, but I will explain where to use if, where to use if else, where to use if else if and not. Now, I think you understood. If means what? Is only one case, one chance or one case. If else means what? Two cases, either or. Two situations we can call, two cases we can call, either or situation, either or situation. So simply we can say that check the person can vote or not. So taking the number, sorry, vote is based on what? Age, but we don't know the age. Consider like this, because you can't decide the age. Maybe one person can have lesser age and one person can have sufficient age for voting. If the age is greater than or equals to 18, minimum 18, yes, the person can vote, can vote. Else, I'm just writing print, you can write SOP or console dot write. The person cannot vote. The person cannot vote. Two situations, either or situation you need to specify. For example, check the number. Check the number is even or not. Is even or not. Taking the number. Taking the number. If that number is even means what? Already in the last class we discussed. The number mod 2 equals to 0. Yes, it is even number. Else, not even number. Even and not even number. That is. For example, check the character. Check the character is digit or not, or alphabet or not. So take the character, any character but in single quotes. Any character. And we already discussed that. For alphabet means what? Either it is uppercase or lowercase. Uppercase means what? Capital A to capital Z. Or lowercase means what? Small a to small z. Small a to small z. Either it is uppercase or lowercase. Then simply to say that it's an alphabet. It's an alphabet. Else, not an alphabet. Alphabet, not an alphabet. That is. Next one is. Next one. Here it is. Now, three cases or four cases or five cases or more than two cases. We can go with if else. Either three situations, four situations, five situations, and so on. That is more than two simply. More than two. Okay. Suppose simply I am taking the check the shape is triangle, rectangle, or pentagon, or any other. Suppose you can take. How can you decide that shape means what? Based on the number of sides of the shape. Sides of the shape. If sides is equals to 3, then print it's a triangle. Else if sides is equals to 4, It's a rectangle. Else if sides is equals to 5. It's a pentagon. Else, other than these three, just simply I'm giving other shape. It's giving other shape simply. All these things, please listen, because you should complete all these things in the documentation. But in the documentation, no need to write all these codes. I simplified a lot. I just asked, see here, you need to write condition only. Suppose here, just reading, if you know that, reading and checking. Next one here, writing the condition. Here, writing the condition. Here, writing the condition, reading and condition, like this. Something I left that you have to complete, remember. Okay. Now, here, now check the character is uppercase alphabet or lowercase alphabet or digit or symbol. Digit or symbol. Here it is. Uppercase alphabet for what? First we are taking the character, whatever it is. Whatever it is. Uppercase means what? If the character is between capital A and capital Z, is uppercase. Print uppercase alphabet. Else if small a and small z is a lowercase alphabet. Else if is a 0 to 9, 0 to 9 is a digit. Else symbol, like this. See, more than two situations, always you need to specify with the if else if only. For example, check the number is single digit number or two digit number or three digit number or other digit. You know that number is in between 0 and 9. 0 and 9. It is single digit. Is between 10 and 99. Is a two digit. Is in between 100 and 999. Is a three digit. Else simply other digit. Got it? Simply other digit. This is the simple way of doing the things. Hope you got it. The next one is whenever we go with the nested if. This is important. One condition is success, then it will go and check another condition inside. If this condition is valid, sometimes, then go and check inside another condition. Inside another condition. That is, maybe if this condition fail is outer. Maybe this condition failed, this else block will execute. Maybe this condition failed, this else block execute. Sir, one example first. Multiple will see. One, two, try చేయండి sir. క్లాస్ నేను చెప్తాను ట్రై చేసి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ట్రై చేసి యాజ్ మొత్తం కాపీ చేసి సేమ్ కాలం నుంచి ప్రాపర్ తీసుకోండి. Here it is. Now, one thing. Suppose a person can donate blood or not. Suppose this is the code. Rules given. For example, these are the rules. Only only males can donate blood, gents. Next one is a age between rule they have given. Age between 18 to 55, and then the weight between 50 to 80, suppose. They have given like this. Sir, everything you can write in a single place. First, I'm taking gender, male or female. Okay, that I'm not writing actually. Anything you can take. Next one is a age, some value. Next one is a weight, double or into anything. Normally you can take some value. Got it? Three things we have taken: gender, age, and weight. All the three. In a single way, using if else also you can write this one. How? If the gender equals to male and age is between age. Let me write like this so that I can paste. Oh no. Okay. Here, if the gender is equals to male and the age is greater than or equal to 18 and age is less than or equal to 55 and weight is greater than or equal to 50 and weight is less than or equal to 80 is in between. Then simply, if all are true, then simply you can say that yes, you can donate blood, else cannot. But here it is, the question is why they cannot donate the blood. Where is the problem? Is a gender problem or age problem or weight problem? Individual messages if you want. First checking that gender only. If it is failed, then directly it will come here. Just give the message. Only males can donate blood. Is a message like this. Message like this. Okay, is a male. Suppose if they have given a female, then directly will come to here. No, is a male only. Male. Next one is what? Checking age. Age should be between 18 and 55. Suppose if failed, just giving the message is underweight. One is depends on another. Underweight. Next one is a suppose weight. This is under age. And this is underweight. Simply we are giving like this. Here, if everything correct, then can donate the blood. One is depends on another. One is depends on another. Like that we are checking. Simple way. Okay, na? The next one is one more example I'll give. Here it is a student pass. Just give the student grade. Give student grade only if the student passed in all subjects. First, what we have to take? Suppose three subjects taking M1, some marks, M2, some marks, M3, some marks taking. Minimum marks should come. If student pass, okay. Else directly you can give that student failed. If student pass, then okay. On which grade? Finding the average marks. M1 plus, M2 plus, M3 by 3. M1 plus, M2 plus, M3 by 3. Okay. Sir, first pass, how we are checking? Minimum marks should come in each subject. Suppose 35 marks consider. M1 35, M2 35, M3. In all subjects, minimum marks should come. If not, directly fail message. No. In all subjects, minimum marks 35, 35, 35 came. Okay, total on an average, if average is greater than or equal to 75, okay, student got distinction. Else if on an average marks is greater than or equal to 60, is a first class got obtained. On an average marks is greater than or equal to 50, is a second class. Else third class, like this. See, the question is nested if means what? Nested if. One condition based on another condition. Checking all these, giving the grade only if the student passed in all subjects. If not, directly you can say that student failed. Say that student failed. If student passed in all subjects, then only we are finding the average marks. And based on that, we are giving that grade distinction of first class, second class, or third class. So everyone using the documentation by today, everyone should complete all the conditional statements exactly how to use if block, if else block, if else if block, and a nested if block. And one important point, somewhere you got the error means what? Just a screenshot and drop the code in the WhatsApp group. Either I will explain or any other student also will help you. You keep on practice because these things actually not belongs to the data structures, but you should be perfect in logical programming before starting the data structures. That's why just as a brush up I am giving. Tomorrow I'll start the loops concept. All for loop programs I'll explain in the tomorrow class. For while complete, then I'll go to the methods concept. Once methods completed, arrays. After arrays, we will start the first data structure implementation, stack and queue. Remember that. You should be good at all these areas, please. Please take the photocopy of the document what I have sent in the group, and then please keep working with that one book.